There is more to this cup of coffee that meets the eye. 5 unusual uses for coffee. Use coffee to dye your clothes. For a beige or darker color, try dyeing your clothes with coffee grounds. Dyeing fabrics with coffee grounds is very easy. Depending on the amount of coffee grounds used, the fabric will be a darker or lighter shade. Fire starter. Coffee beans is a highly flammable substance. Combine coffee grounds and beeswax to create a natural and effective fire lighter. So you have no need to worry about running out of fire lighters. These coffee bean fire starters are a great solution. Odor remover. Coffee grounds can absorb unpleasant odors. Place a bowl of coffee grounds in a smelly area like a refrigerator or shoe closet. Insect repellent. The caffeine in coffee can deter some insects, like ants, flies, and slugs. Sprinkle or burn dry coffee grounds around areas where you've noticed pests. Gardening fertilizer. Sprinkle them thinly onto your soil or add them to your compost heap. Despite their color, for the purposes of composting, they're a green or nitrogen-rich organic material. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel.